In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite members into a Skool community group. Whether you're a seasoned community leader or someone just starting out, this guide will walk you through the steps to effectively grow your community by inviting new members. To get started, first, you'll need to navigate to Skool. Simply open your preferred web browser and search for Skool. Once the search results appear, click on the first result. This will take you straight to the Skool website. If you haven't already, log in with your account details. This step is crucial because you won't be able to manage your community settings without logging in. Once you're logged in, you'll notice some arrows in the upper left corner of the page. Click on these arrows to expand the menu. This will show you a list of options including the communities you are part of. From here, you can click on the specific community where you want to invite new members. This could be any community you're managing or involved in. Selecting the right community is key to ensure your invitation reaches the correct audience. With your community page open, direct your attention to the Members section, often labeled or displayed near the top or along the side of the page. Click on Members to access a list of current members and manage your invitations. You'll typically find this option quite easily, but if you have any trouble, look for it in any drop-downs or menus available. Now, to invite new members, locate the Invite button. This is your gateway to extending invites to potential new community members. Click on Invite, and you will see options to share the invite link. If you're inviting people who need a subscription to join, click on the Copy button to copy the invitation link to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into an email, message, or any other platform you use to communicate with your potential members. This is a quick and efficient way to distribute your community invitation broadly. For those individuals who don't require a subscription to join, you have the simple option of entering their email addresses. Just type the email addresses of these potential members directly into the provided field. By doing this, they'll receive an email invitation to join your community group on Skool. It's an incredibly straightforward way to increase membership without needing additional tools. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're ready to invite new members into your Skool community group, enhancing collaboration and engagement within your space. Remember, growing a community takes time and effort, but with these tools at your disposal, you're well on your way to creating a thriving group. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you cultivate the vibrant community you envision.